Presenting the Zone Guardian. Water flow alarm testing for fire sprinkler systems can be expensive and time-consuming. When carrying out periodic testing, you can save 200 to 300 litres of water and save time. Once installed and vented, here's how you carry out a periodic test. Step 1. Notify the BMS controller. Step 2. Check the test module power light is illuminated. Then insert and turn the key. The test light shows the pump is running. The pump creates a flow around the flow switch equivalent to a single sprinkler head. Step 3. After a short time, the flow light on the test module illuminates and the BMS controller sees an alarm signal. The test is successful. Turn off and remove the key. If there is no flow light or alarm signal, your fire sprinkler engineer must investigate. The test is complete and with zero water wastage. Contact us for more information.